Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel again. In this video we are going to do another Python task, solve another Python problem, but this is about the data science. So we are using Pandas library to solve this problem. This is problem 176, second highest salary. And as you can see here, the level is medium, it's not very hard. And we will have a table. This table has two columns. The first column is ID, the second column is salary. Both of these column data types are integer. And the ID is the primary key column with unique value for this table. It means each row has its own unique ID value. And each rows of this table contain information about the salary of an employee. Okay, these are the examples, example 1, 2, 3. But what does it want? Write a solution. It means write a code in Python, in Pandas with Python. Write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Okay, this one is very important. Distinct salary, it means it should be different. If two person has the same salary, we should go for the second one. If, for example, here we have 300, 200, 100, the result would be 200. But if there is no second highest salary because you only have one salary, then we should return null. But this distinct is important. If we have three people and all of these three employees has the same salary, and then we wouldn't have the second highest salary, then we should return null too. You should pay attention to the distinct and is in the case that we don't have second highest salary. These are the case 1 and case 2. When we run it, it should be correct for both of these cases, but when we submit it, it will test it for more cases, like maybe 20 other cases with different exceptions, and it should be valid for them too. So when it is valid for run, it doesn't mean it is valid for the submission too. So let's run the code here together and go back to the test case. And if this is your first time watching our channel, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so whenever we upload new videos, you will receive a notification. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here, this function has an input. This input is called employee and it is a data frame. It's very important to notice that the data type of this input is data frame, and also we should return a data frame too. We cannot just return the salary by, for example, the second highest salary is 200. We should return it as a data frame with this format, which the column name would be second highest salary, and it is 200. Okay, now we have this data frame. It is employee. We define a variable named unique salaries, and this unique salaries is equal to the employee data frame, and choose the salary column, and I want to sort values, and after sorting it, I want to just choose the unique salaries. Okay, what does it do? From the employee salary column here, it just sort them from 100 to, if for example the first employee got 200, the second one got 100, and the third one got 100, and the fourth one got 300, then first it sort them like 100, 100, 200, 300, and then it just returned the unique one. So it just sort 100, 200, 300, and it will be just a list. The component of this list would be 100, 200, and 300. Now that we have a list of unique salaries that they are sorted from the least salary to the highest salary, then we define an if condition and we say if the length of unique salaries, this unique salary here, is greater than 1, then go, and the result, we define another variable, it is called result, is equal to exactly what we have here, these unique salaries, but it's a list, yeah? And then from this list, if we say return 0, it will return us the first one, but if we say -1, it returns us the last one, which would be the highest salary. But we don't want the highest salary. We want the second highest salary. So we say -2. Returns us -2. If this else condition, if this if condition is not correct, then we say else. It means we have only one unique salaries. In this case, we say the result would be none, because here we had that it says return null. Okay, and at the end we say return result. Okay, but if you return result, it will not accept it. Why it will not accept it? Because in this case the result is just an integer number, but we don't want to return an integer number. We want to return a data frame. A data frame with this format. The column name is second highest salary and the result is the highest salary. Okay, so instead of just returning the result, we say pd dot data frame, and this data frame has a list. It is the result, and the column name lambs is equal to again a list, and this is the name of the column. Okay, like that. Now if I apply it, it should accept it, hopefully. Okay, we have a problem. Okay, the problem is actually here we have a space. We shouldn't have this space because as you can see here is red. It says the output is this one, but the expected output should be this one. Again, I run it. Yeah, it is accepted, but it doesn't guarantee that if I submit it, it will be accepted too. But I submit it, so let's wait what happened. Yeah, it was accepted too. We could submit it. That means our code is correct. But one thing is important, I think, why we have this if condition and we say if the length of unique salaries is more than one. It means if, for example, we have all of these three employees get the same salary, all of them are 300, then the list of unique salary, the length of unique salary will not be greater than 1, 2. Then we wouldn't have the second highest salary. Then this else will be run and the result still will be null. It's very important. Okay, the second highest salary. If we have 10 employees, all of them got the same salary, it means we do not have the second highest salary and we should return null. This is the result behind this if condition. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you liked it, please hit the like button. By doing so, you will help us that YouTube algorithm will introduce us to those who are interested in these topics. And if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, leave me a comment. I will read them and consider them. Wish you a good day. Bye.